Okay, welcome back. Welcome back to part 3 and answering the test question, how much of the assignment remains to earn full completion? So when we left off, we knew that we were going to have to take away 5/8 from the whole, and the whole was 8 over 8. So what we're going to do is take away or subtract 5/8 from a whole 8 over 8, right? That would represent the whole assignment in the fractions that we've been working with here. And so that should give you the answer of the remaining of the assignment to earn full completion. Let's take a closer look at that. Okay, so take a look here. We have 8/8, right? Represents the whole homework assignment minus 5/8 equals 3/8 of that homework assignment is remaining. The answer is D. So again, I mentioned it earlier in part 2, at the end of the part 2 video. I want to give you some quick topics that you can enter into an internet search to help you practice your new skills. If I've helped you, please help me help others. Like, follow, and share these videos. Stick around. I want to give that to you right now. Okay, so here we go. You want to conduct an internet search for worksheets with answers. You want worksheets with answers because you want to be able to look and know if you've made a mistake. Mistakes are the golden road to knowledge. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. Look back at your work. Find where you made a mistake. Learn from it. Don't do it again. And every time you'll get better and better and better. And pretty soon, math will become easy for you. So don't give up. Don't quit. You can do this. Absolutely. All right. So conduct an internet search with, put in worksheets with answers on the following. You want to you want to be practicing word problems, easy, medium, and difficult. A lot of these standardized GED, general education diploma exams have to do with word problems and being able to figure out what skills you need to work those problems. Finding the sum, that's adding, and the difference, that's subtracting, of fractions. You want to be able to practice those. The more and more you practice, the better you're going to get. Don't be afraid for mistakes. That's the best way you can learn. Conduct an internet search on how to find common denominators of fractions. That's going to increase your knowledge, skills, and abilities to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. You can also watch my videos. I've created a bunch of videos on the rules to understand how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. Okay, another internet search, you understanding everything about the numerator, that's the top part of the fraction, and the denominator, that's the bottom part of fractions. Don't quit, don't give up. You can absolutely do this. It takes a lot of time and practice, but math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. Please like, follow again, and share these videos. Help me to help others. Thank you for your time.